Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel. Today we bring you important update from South Sudan, stories about politics, peace, insecurity, development and the struggle of our people. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our daily update. Your support helps us grow and continue delivering trusted news. We begin with politics. In Juba, tension is growing after report confirmed that the opposition National Salvation Front, also known as NAS, led by General Thomas Cirillo, has officially joined force with the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, SPLIO. The SPLIO is currently under the acting leadership of Oyet Nathaniel, while former chairman Dr. Machar remain under detention in Juba. This alliance is not just political but also military. According to General Cirillo, the two groups are now working together to challenge the government. Civil society activists say this new alliance is a result of broken promises and violation of the peace deal. Termanyangad, which a well-known activist, told reported that citizens are disappointed because the government has failed to keep its commitment. He explained that the government is weak even within its own army because soldiers are not being paid regularly. How can you expect soldiers to fight without salaries? He asked. Many soldiers say that they are now saying they do not want to die and leave their families with no support because when soldiers die, the government does not care for their children. Policy analyst James Baboya also reacted. He warned that the alliance between SPLIO and the NAS, National Salvation Front, led by Thomas Cirillo, is dangerous because it may give them more recognition as strong conflict parties. He criticized the government for ignoring peace talk with all-out group and failing to run basic institutions. Baboya say the parliament is not working as it should. The cabinet is paralyzed and corruption is growing. Baboya urged leaders to think about the long-term survival of South Sudan instead of short-term power struggle. He called on the government to end poverty, address hunger, and bring real peace. Look at the street of Juba, he said. Our people are starving, while our neighboring in Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania live healthier life than us. This growing alliance shows the urgent need for dialogue. Citizens are asking, will the government choose negotiation or will the country face more war? Let's move to Western Equatoria, road attack in Western Equatoria. According to the report, over the weekend, army men attacked two motorcycles along the Yambu-Eba road. The attackers stole their belongings and then set the motorcycle on fire after they chased them away. Police Commissioner Major General Philip Madutong confirmed the incident, but say no one was killed or injured on the attack. Eba County Commissioner Wilson Taylor also explained that the victims were boda rider, one from Eba and the other from Meridi County. The ambush happened near Sioux Bridge between Yambio and Eba. One of the riders, a 16-year-old boy, managed to escape and reach Yambio safely. A youth from the area told reported that many travelers are now scared of using the road because they do not know if the attackers are criminal or rebel fighters. This attack adds to the long list of insecurity incidents that ordinary people are facing daily. Many now live in fear, unable to move freely for work, school, or family visit. Tumani peace talk collapsed in Nairobi. Let's now look at the peace process in Juba. According to the information, the Tumani initiative talk in Nairobi, which were meant to bring whole-out group to the negotiation table, have stalled again. Honorable Rebecca Joshua Okwashi, she is a member of parliament and part of the government negotiation team, say the one opposition group now calling itself the United People Alliance presented a new military structure during the talk. This move, she said, Honorable Rebecca Joshua, was like a declaration that they want to intensify fighting instead of agreeing to peace. Because of this, the talk have been suspended indefinitely. This is the third time since February that the Nairobi-led initiative has been adjourned, Okwachi said. It shows how difficult it is to find peace when opposition groups are still preparing for war. This all-out group, they are the group that were not involved in the 2018 peace talk during the revitalized peace agreement between Kir Mayadit and Dr. Machar that was signed in capital city of Sudan, Khartoum. Let's move on to the incident that happened in Juba. Police and army clash in Juba. According to the information, in Juba, confusion broke out yesterday in Gumbo Shirkat after officer from the Criminal Investigation Department (CID) clashed with soldiers from the Tiger Division. According to police spokesperson Major Liz Whitson Simon, the misunderstanding started when plainclothes CID officers were chasing suspect, a person that was wearing civilian clothes. The Tiger Division thought they were criminal and blocked their car. Gunfire was exchanged when the suspect resisted arrest, and he was eventually shot in the leg and captured. The incident alarmed local residents who thought the plainclothes police were criminals, but after clarification, the situation calmed down. Police have promised the public that operation will continue to protect life and property, and they urge citizens to cooperate with law enforcement. While in Juba, $9.98 million water and flood protection project was given to the people. The Minister of Water Resources and Irrigation has signed a $9.98 million agreement with the UN Office for Project Service funded by the World Bank. The Minister of Water Resources and Irrigation has signed a $9.98 million agreement with the UN Office for Project Service, UNOP, funded by the World Bank. The project will focus on repairing dike, rehabilitating water system, and improving flood defense across South Sudan. These are the money that are given to the people of South Sudan to stop flood from advancing. In Maban, over $3 million will be used for dike repair. In Eastern Equatoria, 60 ant, pump, and 8 water yards will be fixed. Other areas, including Jonglei and Apanal, will also benefit. According to ministry officials, the project will use local labor and ensure community participation, making it sustainable and beneficial for the people. UNOP country manager Petronella Olwindi Kasaka said the goal is to help communities recover from flood and build resilience for the future. This is a step in the right direction as flood have destroyed home, school, and farmland in many states. These are the stories shaping South Sudan today: the growing opposition alliance, the road insecurity in Western Equatoria, the suspension of peace talk in Nairobi, confusion between police and army in Juba, and a new flood protection project. Our country is facing many challenges, from politics and war to insecurity, poverty, and disaster. But together we must continue to hope and demand better leadership. Thank you for watching Changfied YouTube channel. Please don't leave without subscribing, like, and sharing this video. Your support is what keeps us going. Stay with us for more updates, and may peace prevail in South Sudan.